Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Mawa or Khoya, which is prepared from milk powder. This is instant Mawa recipe and you can use in varieties of Indian desserts. Look at the text of the Mawa and it's really easy to make. Mawa or Khoya wouldn't be easily available in stores and this recipe will be helpful, I guess. Without further delay, let's get started. In a pan, take half a cup of full fat milk. Add in 1 cup of milk powder. Add in switch on the flame it. In goes few strands of soaked saffron. I have soaked saffron in 1 tablespoon of hot milk. Mix everything nicely so that it combines well. So till now I didn't switch on the flame. Sugar is not added because the sweetness from milk powder is sufficient. You could see all the ingredients has combined well. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee and switch on the flame. Stir in continuously and cook it in low flame. It takes very less time when compared to traditional way of making mawa. You could see the mawa is thickening. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of pistachio powder since I'm gonna make dessert out of this. If you want plain mawa means you can skip adding saffron and the nuts. Mawa has thickened perfectly and now switch off the flame. It should be a little loose consistency like this because it will thicken once it cools down. Cool the mawa completely before making any dish out of this. Delicious rich mawa or khoya is ready now. After cooling down, it has thickened nicely. You can store it in refrigerator for 1 week. If you keep it in freezer means you can store it for 1 month or more. I have prepared mawa cake and I'll share the recipe link in the description below. With this homemade mawa, I prepared this bread malai roll as well as sandwiches. I'll share this recipe link in the description below. Do try this mawa and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.